Hey math fans! Welcome back to the Math Olympiad Academy. In Lesson 58, we are tackling an advanced integral that has baffled many students, and we will elucidate how to evaluate it correctly and rapidly. Here is our problem statement. Let I be the definite integral from 0 to infinity of e to the power of x multiplied by the arctangent of e to the power of x, all divided by 1 plus e to the power of 2x with respect to x. Your challenge is to evaluate the exact value of the integral I. Now, integrate. Well, before we begin the solution, let us mention that at the lower bound, which is 0, the integrand is perfectly defined. While at the upper bound, as x approaches infinity, the true improper behavior emerges, requiring asymptotic analysis, which we will discuss in the next step. However, looking at the entire expression, many students have asked me where to begin. Okay, let us look at the expression of the integrand. Since we know that the derivative of the arctangent of a function, f of x, with respect to x equals f prime of x divided by 1 plus the quantity f of x, all squared. And since this inner function, f, is here represented by e to the power of x, this expression hides the change of variables method. So, let u equal the arctangent of e to the power of x. This implies that du equals e to the power of x divided by 1 plus e to the power of the quantity 2x with respect to x. At the lower bound, when x equals 0, u equals the arctangent of e to the power of 0, which simplifies to the arctangent of 1, namely pi over 4. While at the upper bound, as x approaches infinity, the exponential term e to the power of x diverges to infinity. So the limit of the arctangent when its inner function approaches infinity equals pi over 2. Hence, as x approaches infinity, the upper bound approaches pi over 2. Next, since u equals the arctangent of e to the power of x, and the factor e to the power of x, divided by 1 plus e to the power of the quantity 2x with respect to x, is precisely du, this allows us to express the integral equivalently in terms of u. That is to say, the equivalent simple form of this integral can be expressed as the integral from pi over 4 to pi over 2 of u with respect to u. Now, what is next? Well, since the antiderivative of u is given by 1/2 times u raised to the power of 2, this implies that the previous integral equals 1/2 times u squared, evaluated from pi over 4 to pi over 2, which equals 1/2 times the quantity pi over 2 all squared minus pi over 4 all squared. Then, since pi over 2 all squared equals pi squared over 4, and pi over 4 all squared equals pi squared over 16, we obtain 1/2 times the quantity pi squared over 4 minus pi squared over 16. Then, multiply both the numerator and the denominator of the fraction pi squared over 4 by 4 to get the same denominator as pi squared over 16. After this, we obtain 1/2 times the quantity 4 pi squared over 16 minus pi squared over 16, yielding the integral, denoted by I, equals 1/2 times 3 pi squared over 16, which equals 3 pi squared over 32. Therefore, the definite integral from 0 to infinity of the quantity e to the power of x, multiplied by the arctangent of e to the power of x, all divided by 1 plus e to the power of the quantity 2x, with respect to x, equals 3 pi squared over 32. Well, now, are you ready to sharpen your skills? To consolidate the methodology we covered in this lesson 58, we have a new homework challenge for you. Here is our problem statement. Let L be the definite integral from negative infinity to 0 of e to the power of x, multiplied by the arcsine of e to the power of x, all divided by the square root of the quantity 1 minus e to the power of the quantity 2x with respect to x. Your challenge is to evaluate the exact value of the integral L. Now, take the time, then integrate. And when you have your answer, let me know in the comments below this video. Well, I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step solution. Keep practicing. Share this lesson with your friends. If this lesson was helpful, we invite you to like, share, and subscribe to Math Olympiad Academy for more advanced problem solving. See you in the next lesson!